नमस्ते, मेरा नाम विवेक है। मैं सैक्रामेंटो किंग्स का ओनर हूँ। Hello everybody. It gives me great pleasure to address all of you on Indian Independence Day. I wish I could be there with you in person, but I'm at the Independence Day parade in New York. This is our 68th Independence Day. I grew up in India, and it was always a special day for me, for my family, and of course for the whole country of India. And I came to this country at the age of 17. Now, I love America, and it's provided a great life for me, and I love being an American citizen, but my soul will always be Indian. Now, our parents, our grandparents, our great-grandparents, they fought for independence, so we must never take it for granted. We must cherish it, and we must show our appreciation for it by giving back. We at the Sacramento Kings are finding ways to connect with India and to share the joy of basketball with the Indian community and with India. We have a Hindi language website. We've sent our dance team to India. We've sent players to India. We've hosted Bollywood night, Sikh night, and later this year I'm actually taking our new commissioner Adam Silver to India so that we can share the joy of basketball with the continent, the subcontinent of India. I believe that while Indians have excelled in business and technology and science, some of the greatest entrepreneurs, doctors, scientists, engineers, business people are Indian, it's time to also excel for us in sports, to have a seat at the highest levels of the world. We have to excel in sports. And I believe that India will do that. Basketball is a sport that lends itself well to India. It's a sport that can be played by boys, by girls, in rich countries, in poor countries, in cities, in villages, indoors, outdoors, by a few people, by several people. And I believe that India will be a basketball power in the next decade. In fact, we now have the first Indian basketball player who helped us win the Summer League Championship in Vegas this year. And we will also, I'm sure, have one or more players become part of the NBA over the next decade. It's a great privilege and a great honor to be part of the Indian community in Sacramento and have a fantastic India Day. Jai Ho!